Congratulations on your new intelligent floor cleaner. Everything you need to guide bObi Pet through her cleaning sessions can be found inside her box. To open the box, place it on a flat surface with its handle facing up. Then lift the flap to open. Inside bObi Pet's box you will find bObi Pet herself, bObi block, a Phillips head screwdriver for bObi Pet's side brush, a remote, a spare main brush, bObi Pet's battery, and her warranty card and quick start guide. Lift bObi Pet and you will see a bag containing a set of blindfold stickers with instructions, 2 spare brush holders, 2 screws for bObi Pet's side brush, 1 spare, a sync tool for her charging station, and her owner's manual. Underneath that bag is a spare HEPA filter, bObi Pet's cleaning tool, a mini-mop attachment with 2 microfiber mopping cloths, two side brushes, 1 spare, and bObi Pet's charging station and charging adapter. To prepare bObi Pet for her first clean, follow the instructions outlined in her quick start guide. To learn everything there is to know about operating your intelligent floor cleaner, consult your owner's manual, or follow along with our step-by-step how-to videos. Welcome to the bObsweep family, and happy cleaning!